world-class education.
Happy greetings to everyone. I am Shoib from grade 5th B studying in ACHARIYA SIKSHA MANDIR, IIT CAMPUS-THENGAITHITtu. So today we have learned Joystick in Play Computer Kit. So today I am going to show the demo. When we click the disco option, the LED will glow like a disco. So next, geyser.
We are the students of ACHARIYA. I can do, you can do. We are the students of ACHARIYA.
So next, smiley LED.
We are the students of ACHARIYA.
Smiley LED is glowing. So next option is left eye and right eye. There are three basic colors: red, green and blue. Red,
My father, 100%. I love my mother, 100%. I love my family, 100%.
green,
I love my school, 101%.
blue,
I love my school.
So we have learned this project using STEAM curriculum from ACHARIYA SIKSHA MANDIR, IIT CAMPUS-THENGAITHITtu through Atal Tinkering Lab. Thank you, love you all.